Hi, I'm Renee Adelmann, and I am so excited to share this mid-century modern Alliance home with all of the bells and whistles. So welcome to 533 Wake Robin Lane in San Rafael. I bet you're wondering what all the bells and whistles are in this house, so let me tell you a few of them. Not only is this house completely remodeled in modern finishes, but it also has things that you can't see. Things like upgraded electrical panel, working in-floor radiant heat, dual pane windows, a foam roof. Not only does this house have a beautiful front yard with citrus trees, but it also has this beautiful backyard with a newly resurfaced pool and all new pool decking. And this house has a separate office space or artist unit to get away from your family. I hope that you enjoyed this tour of this beautiful mid-century modern home. Please call 415-342-4537 for more information about this property or to schedule a tour in person.